Hey everybody, and welcome to another HowTech video tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to insert code snippets into Word, along with syntax highlighting. Before we begin, please support us by clicking that subscribe button and turning on those bell notifications. Let's get started. So the easiest way to do that is to, if you already have it up in Microsoft Visual Studio, Control A, we're going to select all of that, copy it, move over here, Control V to paste. And then we have it all right there. However, you'll know that it's throwing some errors here. We can go ahead and add it to the dictionary. We can do all that. But the better option, I'll just undo that there. We'll go to Insert, hit Object, and we'll scroll all the way down to Open Document Text. We're going to hit OK on that. And it'll open up a new Word document for us, and we can go ahead and paste it in this new Word document. You'll notice that there's a bit of a tabbing issue here, so I'll just hit enter and sort of tab that over. I'll use the ruler here to guide it in perfect. To see the ruler, you can go to the view and hit ruler. So this is our sort of new document. If we X that out, you'll see that in our original document we have it inserted right there, and it's sort of like a table sort of object now, or like an image, but we can go ahead and when we double click it, we go into sort of edit mode of that object. And you'll notice that it doesn't show any of the errors anymore, but we still have that nice syntax highlighting straight out of Visual Studio. So this has been a HowTech video tutorial. Please like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching.